second sum minimize z is equal to 8x1 plus 4x2 subject to this condition, that is x1 plus 2x2 is greater than 3, 3x1 plus x2 is greater than equal to 3, 4x1 plus 3x2 is greater than equal to 6, x1 and x2 is greater than 0, that is positive. So we have inequations. First term I am writing this as an inequation. So this is equal to, when you substitute x1 is equal to 0, you will get x2 is 1. Similarly x2 is equal to 0. So we have the point A is 0 comma 1 and B is 2 comma 0, and this equation is greater than type, so it is away from the origin. Now second one we have 3x1 plus x2 is greater than 3. So 3x1 plus which is equal to, so x1 is equal to 0. So if this is x2 is equal to 0, then you will get x1. So you substitute x2 here 0, so this will become 1, so 1 comma. So this point is 0 comma 3 and this point is 1 comma 0. That is away from the origin side. Similarly for the third equation we have 4x1 plus 3x2 is greater than equal to 6. So you can substitute here equation in form x1 0 you will get x2 2, x2 0 you will get x1 as 1.5. in this equation you will get this point, and again this is away from the origin side. Now after this we will plot this point. So first is 0 comma 1, so this is 0 and this is 1. Okay, this is your point A. Second point is 2 comma 0, so 2 comma 0 this point. So I will join this line. Okay, next one we have 0 comma 3, so 0 3 this point, and 1 comma 0, so this point. So again you will join this line. Okay, this is your equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now third point is 0 comma 2, so this is 0 2 and 1.5 comma 0, so this point. Okay, so I will join this point. Okay, this all the lines are away from the origin, so we will select a region which are away from the origin. So that is away from the upper side lines. Okay, now the corner points is this point, that is 3 comma 0 comma 3. Okay, and this is the corner point and this is also the corner point. So name this as G and this as H. So we need the coordinate of G and H. So to identify G we have to solve this equation simultaneously. It is equation 3. Okay, to identify H we need to solve equation 3 and 1 simultaneously. You will get the point H. Okay, now point G is the intersection of these two lines, that is equation 2 and equation 3. We need to solve this equation simultaneously. So the coefficient of x2 is 3, so I will multiply this equation by 3 whole equation. So this equation will become 9x1 plus 3x2 which is equal to 9, and 4x1 plus 3x2 is equal to 6. So this is minus minus and this is minus, so this will get cancelled. I will subtract this 5x1 which is equal to 3, so x1 is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay, so you will put x1 is equal to 3 upon 5 in equation 2. So you will get 3 into 3 upon 5 plus 2x2 is equal to 3. So you will get 9 upon 5 plus x2 is equal to 3. So x2 is equal to 3 minus 9 upon 5. So x2 is equal to 15 minus 9 upon 5. So x2 is equal to 6 upon 5. Therefore G coordinate is 3 upon 5 comma 6 upon 5. Okay, now to find H, so H is the intersection of equation 1 and 3, so we will need to solve this equation. So the coefficient of x1 is 4 here, so I will multiply this equation by 4. So this will become 4x1 plus 8x2 which is equal to 8, and this equation as it is 4x1 plus 3x2 which is equal to 6. Then you will subtract, so this is minus minus minus, so you will get 5x2 which is equal to 2. So x2 is equal to 2 upon 5. Now put x2 in the equation 1. So you will write put x2 is equal to 2 upon 5 in equation 1. x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 2. So x1 plus 2 into x2 is 2 upon 5 which is equal to 2. x1 plus 4 upon 5 which is equal to 2. x1 is equal to 2 minus 4 upon 5. So x1 is equal to 10 minus 4 upon 5. So x1 is equal to 6 upon 5. So therefore h coordinate will become 6 upon 5 comma 2 upon 5. Okay, therefore the points, corner points are C, that is 0 comma 3, that is G 3 upon 5 comma 6 upon 5, H 6 upon 5 comma 2 upon 5, and that is A point. So that is the next point is 0 comma 2 comma 0, that is your point A. I think A point, this is 2 comma 0, that is B point. Okay, B point. Now we will substitute this in the Z function, so you will minimize the minimum Z. Okay, we have to minimize that function. At point C, Z is 8 into 0 plus 4 into 3 which is equal to 12. So ZC is equal to 12. Okay, now ZG, so 8x1 plus 4x2, so 8 into 3 upon 5 plus 4 into 6 upon 5, so 24 upon 5 plus 6, 24 upon 5, so this is 48 upon 5, 48 upon 5, that is 9.6. so ZG is 9.6. okay, I will solve here ZH also. So ZH is equal to 8x1 plus 4x2, so 8 into 6 upon 5 plus 4 into 2 upon 5, 48 upon 5 plus 8 upon 5, 56 upon 5, that is 11.2. okay, ZH. okay, then after this ZB, 8x1 plus 4x2, so 8 into 2 plus 4 into 0, 16, so ZB is 16. Among this we have to select a minimum, so minimum is at point G, so therefore Z is minimum at a point G, so therefore solution set is x1 is equal to 3 upon 5 and x2 is equal to 6 upon 5. okay, so go through this video, you will come to know how to solve this one. okay, try to solve similar type of sum, because either maximization or minimization you will get in the exam. okay, So that are all the remaining sum related to maximization and minimization that you have to solve. Okay, thank you.